Hey everyone, welcome back to Plotline English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. Great to see you again.
So, Jack, imagine this. You walk into a meeting at work tomorrow, and you can speak confidently in English. No fear, no silence.
Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what we're doing today.
We're not teaching, we're just talking, like two friends getting ready for work meetings.
Yeah, and we'll practice real phrases you can use in presentations and meetings.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's chat.
Let's start with something simple. Lily, have you ever been nervous in a meeting?
Oh yes, many times, especially when I had to speak first.
Right, me too. But here's the thing, you don't need perfect English.
Exactly. You just need a few good phrases.
So, what do you say when a meeting starts?
Well, usually someone says, "Let's get started."
Let's get started.
Simple, right? Or you can say, "Shall we begin?"
Shall we begin? That sounds more polite.
Yes, it does, but both are fine.
What if you're the one starting the meeting?
Good question. You can say, "Thanks for coming, everyone."
Thanks for coming, everyone.
Or, "I appreciate your time today."
Oh, I like that one. I appreciate your time today.
See, it's polite and professional.
Now, what if someone asks you a question and you don't understand?
Ah, that happens all the time.
So, what do you do?
You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?"
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Perfect. Or you can say, "I didn't catch that."
I didn't catch that. That's more casual, right?
Yes, but it's okay to use in meetings. People understand.
The important thing is to ask. Don't stay silent.
Exactly. Asking questions shows you care.
All right, let's talk about presentations now.
Okay. Have you ever done a presentation in English, Jack?
Yes, and I was so nervous the first time.
But you survived, right?
I did, and I learned a few tricks.
Ooh, tell me.
Well, first you need a strong opening.
Like what?
You can say, "Today, I'm going to talk about."
Today, I'm going to talk about.
Simple and clear.
What if you want to sound more confident?
You can say, "I'd like to share some ideas about."
I'd like to share some ideas about.
Or, "I'm excited to present."
I'm excited to present. That sounds positive.
Exactly. People like positive energy.
What about when you move to the next topic?
Oh, good question. You can say, "Let's move on to,"
Let's move on to.
or "Now I'd like to talk about."
Now I'd like to talk about. That's smooth.
Yeah, it connects everything nicely.
What if someone interrupts you with a question?
Well, you don't want to be rude.
So what do you say?
You can say, "That's a great question."
That's a great question.
Then you answer, or you say, "I'll get to that in a moment."
I'll get to that in a moment. Smart.
It gives you time to think.
And it keeps you in control.
Exactly. Now, let's practice some longer examples.
Okay, imagine you're in a meeting and your boss asks, "What do you think about the new project?"
Good question. I could say, "I think it's a great opportunity."
I think it's a great opportunity.
Or, "I believe it will help us grow."
I believe it will help us grow. Nice and positive.
What if you're not sure?
Then be honest. You can say, "I need more time to think about it."
I need more time to think about it.
Or, "Can we discuss this later?"
Can we discuss this later? That's polite.
Exactly. You don't have to answer everything immediately.
All right, let's try another one. You're giving a presentation and someone says, "I don't understand this slide."
Okay, so you need to explain again.
How do you start?
You can say, "Let me explain it differently."
Let me explain it differently.
Or, "Let me break it down."
Let me break it down. That sounds friendly.
Right? It shows you're willing to help.
And remember, people appreciate patience.
Absolutely. Now, what about ending a meeting?
Oh, that's important. You don't want to just walk away.
Right? That would be awkward.
And so you can say, thanks for your time,
Thanks for your time.
or I appreciate your input.
I appreciate your input. That's very professional.
What if you need to schedule another meeting?
Good point. You can say, let's meet again next week.
Let's meet again next week.
Or, can we follow up on this?
Can we follow up on this? Perfect.
It shows you care about the conversation.
Exactly. Now let's talk about some phrases for presentations again.
Okay, hit me with one.
All right. Imagine you're introducing yourself at the start.
Okay, how do I start?
You can say, good morning, everyone. My name is...
Good morning, everyone. My name is...
Simple and clear.
What if I want to sound more friendly?
You can say, hi, everyone. I'm...
Hi, everyone. I'm...
See? Less formal, more relaxed.
I like it. What about when you finish?
You mean the ending?
Yes. How do you wrap it up?
You can say, that's all for today.
That's all for today.
Or, thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. Classic.
But you can also say, any questions?
Any questions?
That invites people to talk.
Right. It makes it interactive.
Exactly. Now let's practice some tricky situations.
Ooh, like what?
Okay, imagine someone disagrees with you in a meeting.
Oh, that can be uncomfortable.
But it's okay. You can say, I see your point.
I see your point.
Then you add your opinion, like, but I think.
But I think...
This way, you're respectful but still confident.
I love that. What if you want to agree with someone?
Easy. You can say, I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Or, that's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Short and sweet.
Exactly.
Now, what about when you're not sure?
Like when you need more information?
Yes, exactly.
You can say, can you give me more details?
Can you give me more details?
Or, I'd like to know more about this.
I'd like to know more about this. Very polite.
And it shows you're interested.
Right. Now let's practice a full presentation opener together.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Today, I'm going to talk about our new marketing plan.
Today, I'm going to talk about our new marketing plan.
I'll cover 3 main points. First, our goals.
I'll cover 3 main points. First, our goals.
Second, our strategy.
Second, our strategy.
And third, our timeline.
And third, our timeline.
See? Not so hard.
You're right. It's all about practice.
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Now let's talk about body language for a second.
Body language in English?
Yes, it's not just about words.
True. So what should people remember?
Stand straight, make eye contact,
Stand straight, make eye contact,
and smile when appropriate.
and smile when appropriate. Got it.
It makes you look confident.
Even if you're nervous inside.
Exactly. Fake it till you make it.
All right, let's practice one more meeting phrase.
Okay, what's the situation?
Imagine you need to interrupt someone politely.
Oh, that's tricky.
You can say, sorry to interrupt, but...
Sorry to interrupt, but...
Or, excuse me, can I add something?
Excuse me, can I add something?
Both are polite and clear.
I like those. What about when someone interrupts you?
Good question. You can say, let me finish, please.
Let me finish, please.
Or, hold on, I'm almost done.
Hold on, I'm almost done. That's friendly but firm.
Exactly, you're setting a boundary.
Now, what if you make a mistake during a presentation?
Like forgetting what to say?
Yes. or saying the wrong thing.
You can say, sorry, let me correct that.
Sorry, let me correct that.
Or, my mistake. What I meant was...
My mistake. What I meant was...
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay.
Right. Just keep going.
Confidence is key.
All right, Jack. Let's do a quick role play.
Okay, what's the scene?
You're presenting a new idea to the team.
All right. Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here.
Today, I want to share an idea for improving our customer service.
I believe this will make a big difference.
I believe this will make a big difference.
Let me show you how.
Perfect. You sound confident.
See, it's all about practice.
And using simple phrases.
You don't need fancy words.
Just clear, simple English.
Now, what if someone asks a tough question?
Like, why should we do this?
You can say, that's a valid question.
That's a valid question.
Then explain your reasons clearly.
Or you can say, let me explain the benefits.
Let me explain the benefits.
This shows you're prepared.
And that you've thought it through.
Exactly. All right, let's talk about transitions again.
Transitions, like moving between topics?
Yes, it keeps your presentation smooth.
So, what are some good phrases?
You can say, moving on to the next point.
Moving on to the next point.
Or, let's look at another example.
Let's look at another example.
Or even, now let's talk about...
Now, let's talk about...
See? All very simple.
But super effective.
Absolutely. Now, what about ending a presentation?
We touched on this, but let's go deeper.
Okay, you can say, to sum up.
To sum up.
Or, in conclusion.
In conclusion.
Or, let me recap the main points.
Let me recap the main points.
Then, you quickly list your key ideas.
And finish with, thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your attention.
Simple and professional.
Exactly. You're leaving a good impression.
And that's what matters.
All right, Jack. I think we've covered a lot today.
Yeah, we talked about meetings, presentations, questions, interruptions, and even body language.
True. So, what should our listeners remember?
Well, first, don't be afraid to speak.
Right. Use simple phrases.
And practice, practice, practice.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Exactly. You got this.
Now, here's a question for you, our listeners. Have you ever had to give a presentation in English?
Or maybe you've been in a work meeting and felt nervous.
Tell us in the comments. What was the hardest part?
We'd love to hear your stories.
And hey, if you liked this conversation, don't forget to subscribe to Plotline English.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button.
We'll keep helping you practice English in a fun, natural way.
No stress, just conversation.
All right, Jack. I think that's it for today.
Yep. Thanks for hanging out with us, everyone.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.